Hello, welcome back to AyaansEasyMath. Today we are looking at Max Olympiad problem. So the question is given: real numbers x comma y satisfy the equations x square plus y square equal to 2023. X minus 2 into y minus 2 is equal to 3. Prove that square root of 1837 is less than or equal to mod of x minus y less than or equal to 13 root 3. So here, as you are going to solve this problem, pause the video for 10 seconds and try it out. Okay, and also if you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and give it a thumbs up. It will appreciate us to make more videos. More than 500 Olympiad problems are uploaded. Go through them. Thank you. How to solve this problem? So what is given? First of all, x square plus y square is equal to 2023, and x minus 2 into y minus 2 is equal to 3. So here you can write it as x plus y whole square adding 2xy on both sides is equal to 2023 plus 2xy. Adding 2xy on both sides. Now here if you take the second one, xy minus 2x minus 2y plus 4 is equal to 3. The product we are doing. So xy minus 2 of x plus y is equal to minus 1. Now from this you can write xy is equal to minus 1 plus 2 of x plus y. Now replace x plus y, xy value in 1. So in this you have to keep this is 1 and this is 2. Replace xy value in 1. X plus y whole square is equal to 2023 plus 2 into minus 1 plus 2 of x plus y. So x plus y whole square is equal to 2023 minus 2 plus 4 of x plus y. That implies you can write it as x plus y whole square minus 4 of x plus y minus 2021 is equal to 0. So it is a quadratic in x plus y. So 2021 can be written as 47 into 43 prime numbers both. So here you will get factors x plus y whole square minus 47 of x plus y plus 43 of x plus y minus 2021 is equal to 0. X plus y into x plus y minus 47 plus 43 into x plus y minus 47 equal to 0. X plus y minus 47 into x plus y plus 43 equal to 0. That implies x plus y is equal to 47 or minus 43. Now if you replace this value in second one, from the second one you will get xy is equal to 93 or minus 87. We have two quadratic equations, each with roots x comma y. So let us take first one, t square plus 43t minus 87 equal to 0, which gives mod of x minus y is equal to square root of x plus y whole square minus 4xy. So here 43 whole square minus 4 into 87 minus 4 into minus 87. So here what will get square root of 1849 plus 348. So we'll get square root of 12197, square root of 2197, that is nothing but 13 root 13. So another QE, another quadratic equation, let us take it as q square minus 47q plus 93 equal to 0. By applying the same formula, x minus y mod of x minus y is equal to same formula. So you'll get a square root of minus 47 square minus 4 into 93. Okay, ma. So here what will get square root of 2209 minus 372, that is equal to square root of 1837. Therefore, we can say that mod of x minus y lies between square root of 1837 less than or equal to mod x minus y less than or equal to 13 root 30 now. I hope you understood the video. Thank you for watching AyaansEasyMath Olympiad. If you like the video, subscribe the channel and share the video to your friends. Once again, thank you for watching AyaansEasyMath Olympiad.